My name is Kylie, and today I wanted to hop on and give my honest review on this Elite Platinum 3-in-1 slow cooker. So this thing has been really convenient. We use it all the time when we have big family get-togethers. It's nice because it can keep 3 separate things warm. You can also cook in it, so it does have like the traditional crock pot settings, the off, low, high, and warm. What's unique about this one are these lid holders, so that if you have like a big line of people, they're not having to keep grabbing the lid, putting it on and off. So this holds the lids. If you do want the lids on though, you do have the option to just keep it covered and these holders come off. This has just been really nice, super convenient. These are 3 2.5 quart holders, so they are a really good size. They do come out so you can wash them out separately and quickly, and are dishwasher safe. Overall, this has been something that I pull out and use all the time. I would definitely recommend if you are in the market.